In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear link history on Facebook. So when using Facebook and you click on an external link or an advert that takes you out of Facebook to a web page, Facebook keeps a record of those history in the Facebook browser. So here's how you can quickly and easily clear this link history. First thing you want to do is open Facebook. Once opened, you want to tap on your profile menu at the top right corner of your screen to take you to the menu page. Once on the menu page, you want to scroll down to the bottom. Here you're going to see link history. Tap on link history and you're going to see the option to clear all your link history. You can also clear individual link history by tapping on the X beside the link history and you can clear it from there. But if you wish to clear all your link history, simply tap on clear all and then tap on clear. This will clear the entire link history. So that's how you can clear link history on Facebook. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe. Also, if you do have any question or need assistance, you can leave a comment in the comment section. I hope to see you guys in my next video.